Welcome to HTML CSS web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 14. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. In the last lecture, I have told you that we have created the structure of the website with the help of HTML and CSS in the div, and in the last lecture we put this logo and this advertisement banner. Now today I will tell you that how we can make the slider and put the slider here. But before that, when we see this logo and this image, this logo should be clickable and this image also should be clickable because these are the advertisement images, and in every website logo is clickable. Whenever you are going to click on the logo, it, it will come on the home page. Now how you can make it clickable, let me tell you. This is my index.html file and this is my style.css file. So this is the logo image and this one is the banner image, you can see, and this is in the logo area. Now what I will do is, before this I will put here an anchor tag. Anchor tag is for making the link, right? So I will put here space, and according to the rule, after the image tag I will close my anchor tag. If you do not understand this thing how I put the anchor tag, you can review my last lectures, and even then if you will not understand, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Let me explain you this thing again. This is my image tag. You can see I have put this anchor tag before that image tag and after the image tag, right? In this hash sign mean is nothing because this is the logo and my file name, my first file name is index.html, so I will put here index.html. If I am on other pages and I will click on the logo, then I will be on the home page, which is index.html. In the next lecture we will also create the pages for this website. I will save this. Here you can see it's become link. From the mouse sign you can judge, right? Now what I want to do is, also I will do this with the advertisement, but advertisement I will not in the advertisement index.html because that is the advertisement, and whenever you are going to write advertisement you will get the code, right? Or you will get any link what you have to put in that. This is my banner image. Before that I will write here anchor tag and I will put here hash sign, and according to the rule I will close my anchor tag. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's also become the link, right? You can judge from the mouse arrow becomes in the hand sign, right? Like this. Now today we are going to put the slider here. How we can put the slider? It is very simple at this level. In HTML and CSS there is a one software where you will put your images and it will gives you the sliders. Otherwise you need to read the JavaScript and Bootstrap for the responsive sliders like this. So for this purpose we have a one software which is very simple at this level. I will also tell you when we will start our WordPress or JavaScript that how you can control the slider. At this level it's very simple to make the slider just in a few minutes. I will write here in the Google amazing slider software, right? and you can see this is the link amazingslider.com, right? Let me show you in the middle. Here you can see amazingslider.com. You will click on this and this page will open. Here you can download a software. If you are using the window, then you will download this zip file, and if you are a Mac user, then you will click on this link. Because I am a Windows user, so I will click on this. The software will be downloaded, and what I will do is I will simple, here you can see the software is downloading. Now what I will do, I will install this software in my laptop. Then when I will install this, on the desktop it will create a shortcut with the name Amazing Slider, right? How you can install the software, I have told you this thing in my last lecture series. You can review that. Here you will see the Amazing Slider shortcut. I will also share this link in the description of my this YouTube video, right? Whenever you are going to click on the Amazing Slider, you will see window like this. It is a very simple to create the slider here just in 5 steps. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps, right? Now when you are going to click on the first step, it will ask you, you can upload images, videos, iframe. You can also upload the YouTube videos or Vimos. First of all, you have to write here the width and height for the slider. What is the width and height? Let us find this thing first. So this is our slider div. What I will do is slider ID. ID is slider in the CSS. I will go to slider ID. I will press Ctrl F. In the find, I will write here slider. Here you can see I'm on the slider ID, right? Here I can see the width is 990 and height is 350. So in my folder, I will write here 990 and height I will put here 350. Hope you understand this thing. I will upload images. I have downloaded images for you. 1, 2, right? Now why these signs are here? If I want to change the direction or location, I can change the location from here, and if I want to change the direction like this, I can change it also. And if I do not want this, I will click on this button, it will be delete from here, right? Now what I will do is, here is one option, do not crop the images, because I will not crop the image. I do not want to crop the image. I will click here, right? There are many options. You can also see those options. I will click on OK. Now you can see my slider is ready to go now. Here you can see the slider is ready. So it is very simple to do the work with this software. Now in the second step, what I can do, I can change the skin, like if I want this thing, or I want like these arrows, this style on the side. Let me show you this thing also. I will okay this. You will see, right? The style is changed now. If I want to change some other style, like I will click here, I can click here, like these are the pivot that will be in the bottom. So these are the dots, you can see this media gallery. Like, so what style I should do? I will simply select, you can say this style, right? I will okay this. Here you can see, right? Now what I will do is I can change the transition, like I will click here 3D, right? And you can see I will slide. There are many options that you can choose. You can choose slice, blend, block, whatever you want to choose you can do, right? I will click here 3D, I will click here OK. Let me show you this thing. You can see this is the 3D effect. So guys, it is very simple and very easy to make the slider here. This is the option. So what is this? Let me tell you this thing also. If you need the margin on the bottom or on the top, you can check this box. And you need the responsive slider, that if you want to open this website on the mobile or tablet, so the slider will work very fine, right? It will not crop the images. So you need the loop, like it will be work all the time. So these are all options, like pause on the mouse over, like whenever my mouse will be on the slide will not move anywhere. When I will remove the mouse from the slide, then slide will go right or left. These are also the options you can check and implement accordingly. And here you can click on the publish button. Now here is one very important thing. What you have to do is save to the folder where you want to save, because on the desktop I have created the website folder for you. This is the folder in which we are working. So I will do what I will. So I need that I want to save this in website folder. So slider file name is slider.html, because before that I do not have any file with this name. So it is okay. I will say okay this. Save media file to folder images. I already have the images folder, so I will not use this folder name. I will write here slider. You can write any other name, but slider name is convenient, because whenever it is going, I want to see the images of the slider, I will open this slider folder. I will click on publish. So my slider is ready. Now this is my website folder. You can see two folders. These are the two folders downloaded, and one is the slider.html file. So my slider is ready to go now. Let me show you the output. I will open this with the Firefox. Here you can see the slider is complete, right, with the 3D effect. Now we have created the slider in it, and whenever if I want to change some style or I want to change the width or height, I can also save this from here, save project or save project as, and whenever I want to change the width or height, I can easily change the width and height, right? And like let's see, I want this thing, and I will click here OK, right? And I will publish this in the same folder. I will click here publish. Now you will see the style is already changed here. Hope you understand this thing. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. Now what I will do is how we can put this at this area. Let me tell you this thing now. This is my index file, right? And this is the slider area. You can see this is the slider area. What we will do is, first of all, we will open this slider.html in Dreamweaver. So here, let me tell you the coding. These are the JavaScript files, right? And this is the coding for the slider. Hope you understand this thing. The all is. What I will do is simply, this is the JavaScript coding. I will copy this coding, right? You can see insert to your web page after the head in the comment. So, and here is end of the section HTML code. So what I will do is I will copy simple this code and I will paste this code in my index.html header, because I'm copying this in the head section. You can see head opening and head closing tag. So in the index, I will copy this in the head section. This is my head section. So after the title, I will copy this. I will save this. And now in the slider.html, in the body, here is written insert to your web page. From here, I will copy this all. Till then, this comment, end of body section HTML code, I will copy all this, and because that is in the body I have to write, so here I will do what? This is my slider div. You can see this is my slider div, right? I will copy the code here. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the slider is here. In the CSS, I will remove this one border, and also I will remove this line height and text the line, because this was just for the font and your understanding. I will refresh this. Here you can see the slider is looking very good, very amazing. Now the logo and banner of the ad is there, and the slider is here. You can see the 3D effect also. Let me show you. You can see the 3D effects is working, right? So it is very simple to do to make the slider. Now in the next lecture I will tell you that how we can make the menu and news ticker. So this is all for today. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. And if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone, so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Thank you so much.